Hello everyone, my name is Jack, and today I want to talk a little bit more about CSS and specifically about Position Absolute. The reason why I want to talk about it, when I started a long time ago to learn web development myself, it's a little bit weird how this position actually reacts on a page. It's if you don't understand properly how this position specifically, this type of position behaves, your element can go like a little bit wrong place, or like go like not where you were thinking in the beginning before, and just go like on top of a page or bottom of a page, but you actually want it like inside of like your parent and just stay there. So with stuff like that, just try to explain here, and let's just dig in a little bit. So we have here like two blocks. One is how we can see it's just a box, and another one is a chat, and just call like this box absolute box, and just have a container and just centralize this flex box. So here's a first a little bit misconception about position absolute. So what position absolute technically does is when you call any HTML element with position absolute, it take out of your page layout, you say it kind of a document, like a page. So document understand, so it's like, oh, okay, so we don't want any space, physical space for this element in our page. And so it's technically take out your HTML element from page layout and doesn't have any space safe on the page layout. And what it does after that, it's looking anything other position. So it's looking any closest parent with other position except static. And it's like one misconception what I see is not supposed to be always be relative position the parent. Parent can be any position except static. So for example, if here's a relative, right, I will put like wherever is position, right, I put sticky and I save it, it will be the same, it will stay in the parent. I will like go instead of, for example, let's go instead of bottom, let's go top, and you will see it will just stay there. Let's go top. And the same thing I can do is fixed, and I can even do absolute, and it just stays there. The reason the parent doesn't go anywhere because I didn't choose like to go anywhere yet, like because it will be weird act if I should try to move element, but I don't try to move, so it just stays there for now, just in the center when it's supposed to be. And so this is a trick. You always want to make sure to see if like element is there and like your parent element has a position relative, and like, sorry, not like, I mean always relative, it can be any position, but except static. And so the reason why, so what's happening, each time you created like HTML element it will have a position static, because static is a default value for property position. And if I will put static here, then it just will go like somewhere like outside of a page. It kind of like go to the body tag, but it's not really go to the body tag. For reason, because body tag by default has a position static as well. So it's a little bit sort of magic here. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.